Mama, this blow dryer might just be the best thing I've ever used on my daughter's hair. I'm talking fast drying, no frizz, smooth and fluffy results, all with minimal heat and manipulation. And the best part is that it is budget friendly. Today, I'm walking you through our full blowout routine using a TYMO blow dryer. So if you've been struggling with blow drying your little one's hair, keep watching because this is about to change the game. Hey mama, welcome back to my channel. So I always start on freshly washed detangled hair, and I've already applied a leave-in conditioner to her hair in the shower. Before we get into drying, I like to work that leave-in into her hair just a little bit more. And then I like to apply a heat protectant because it's better safe than sorry, right? So now that I have applied the heat protectant to her hair, I like to work it in just for that even spread. And now for the star of the show, this Timeo blow dryer. And mama, this is the best blow dryer I've ever used on my daughter's hair. It dries her hair so fast with powerful airflow. Honestly reminds me of a Hoover. And even on low heat or cool, it smooths the hair beautifully. Plus it's budget friendly and super compact, which I love. Now, mama, notice I'm not using any comb or brush attachments to this blow dryer. I am using the tension method. This is where I pull her hair taut and run the dryer up and down the section. So as always, I work in sections. But mama, just look at this. I love this method. It minimizes breakage since there's no harsh brushing. It keeps the hair stretched and smooth without too much heat. And honestly, it just makes the process so much easier. So once that section is dry, I go in with my Denman D38 brush to smooth it out even more. Mama, just look at how smooth it's looking already. Then I add some good old pink oil lotion for some extra shine. So now I'm gonna blow dry for the final time using the cool setting. So when I initially started blow drying, I was blow drying on low heat. So once I'm done blow drying, I then twist this section up and then repeat the same steps on the other sections. Mama, let me show you the final results. Now, just look at it. Her hair looks beautiful, right? It just feels, I really wish, honestly, you could feel her hair through the screen. It feels so soft, it's smooth, it's shiny, it's fluffy. Just look at it. If you want to see how this compares to the Revlon blow dry brush, click the link showing right now on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. I've got a full tutorial on that too. Mamas, also let me know in the comments, have you tried this TYMO blow dryer? And also, have you tried the tension method when blow drying your little one's hair? All right, mamas, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.